Ever wondered how to send money swiftly and securely to loved ones abroad? Or maybe you've heard of Paysend and are curious about its availability in Nigeria. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the question, which bank in Nigeria uses Paysend? International money transfers have become a crucial part of our interconnected world. Whether it's supporting family overseas, paying for studies abroad, or conducting business transactions, having a reliable and efficient way to send money is essential. Paysend, a global money transfer service, has gained popularity for its fast, affordable, and transparent approach. Paysend overview. Before we delve into the Nigerian banks, let's briefly understand what Paysend is all about. Paysend offers a convenient platform for individuals and businesses to send money to over 125 countries. It's known for its competitive exchange rates, low transfer fees, and real-time tracking. Paysend's benefits. Speed. Paysend prides itself on its fast transfer times, ensuring your money reaches its destination quickly. Affordability. With low transfer fees and competitive exchange rates, Paysend offers a cost-effective solution for international money transfers. Transparency. Paysend provides clear information about fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, giving you full control over your transactions. Security. Paysend employs advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Paysend in Nigeria. Availability. While Paysend has a global reach, it's essential to determine if it's available in Nigeria. We'll explore the specific banks that have partnered with Paysend to offer this service to their customers. Bank partnerships. Bank A, insert the name of the first bank that uses Paysend in Nigeria, is one of the leading banks in the country, and it has partnered with Paysend to provide a convenient and affordable way for its customers to send money abroad. Features. Discuss the specific features and benefits of using Paysend through Bank A, such as online or mobile app access, easy-to-follow instructions, and competitive exchange rates. Bank B, insert the name of the second bank that uses Paysend in Nigeria, is another reputable bank that has embraced Paysend as a convenient option for its customers. Features. Highlight the unique features or advantages of using Paysend through Bank B, such as faster transfer times, lower fees, or additional services. Other banks. If there are more banks in Nigeria that use Paysend, mention them briefly and provide essential information about their offerings. How to use Paysend. Step-by-step guide. Provide a clear and concise guide on how to use Paysend through the partnered banks. This should include steps like creating an account, adding funds, selecting the recipient, and confirming the transfer. Tips. Offer helpful tips or best practices for using Paysend to ensure a smooth and efficient experience. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the banks that use Paysend in Nigeria and the benefits of using this service. Encourage viewers to explore Paysend as a convenient and affordable option for their international money transfer needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful.